Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about category 3 English third pass question paper. Question number 97. Who is considered the father of English essay? Option A Charles Lamb, option B Francis Bacon, option C Montaigne, option D A.G. Gardner. Answer option B Francis Bacon, who is considered the father of English essay. Next question. Who coined the term difference? Option A Levi Strauss, option B Ferdinand de Saussure, option C Jacques Derrida, option D Raymond Williams. Who coined the term difference? Option C. Answer Jacques Derrida. Who coined the term difference? Jacques Derrida. Next question. Who described the poets as the unacknowledged legislators of mankind? Option A Wordsworth, option B Coleridge, option C Shelley, option D Keats. Answer option C Shelley, who described the poets as the unacknowledged legislators of mankind. Answer option C Shelley. Next question. 7 Types of Ambiguity is a critical work by option A F.R. Lewis, option B Wilbur Scott, option C Clint Brooks, option C William Emerson. Answer option D William Emerson. 7 Types of Ambiguity is a critical work by William Emerson. Next question. Which of the following novels has adultery as the theme? Option A The Portrait of a Lady, option B Lolita, option C The Scarlet Letter, option D Little Woman. Answer option C The Scarlet Letter. Which of the following novels has adultery as the theme? Answer option C The Scarlet Letter. Next question. The Roman playwright who inspired Elizabethan revenge tragedy was option A Plautus, option B Terence, option C Seneca, option D Racine. Answer option C Seneca. The Roman playwright who inspired Elizabethan revenge tragedy was Seneca. Next question. Which of the following poems is written by Kamala Das? Option A Coromandel Fishes, option B My Grandmother's House, option C Our Caesorina Tree, option D Night of the Scorpion. Answer option B My Grandmother's House. Which of the following poems is written by Kamala Das? My Grandmother's House. Next question. The term terrible beauty is associated with option A W.B. Yeats, option B W.H. Auden, option C T.S. Eliot, option D Ezra Pound. Answer option A W.B. Yeats. The term terrible beauty is associated with W.B. Yeats. Next question. Course in General Linguistics is a book based on the lectures given by option A Ferdinand de Saussure, option B Noam Chomsky, option C Antonio Gramsci, option D Edward Sapir. Answer option A Ferdinand de Saussure. Course in General Linguistics is a book based on the lectures given by Ferdinand de Saussure. Next question. The first folio of Shakespeare's plays was edited by option A Beaumont and Fletcher, option B Thomas Sackville and Thomas Norton, option C John Hamming and Henry Condell, option D Middleton and Haywood. Answer option C John Hamming and Henry Condell. The first folio of Shakespeare's plays was edited by John Hamming and Henry Condell. Next question. The Nobel Prize for Literature 2017 was awarded to option A Bob Dylan, option B Alice Munro, option C Kazuo Ishiguro, Option D, Paul Beatty. Answer option C, Kazuo Shiguro. The Nobel Prize for Literature 2017 was awarded to Kazuo Shiguro. Next question. Who among the following can aptly be called the war poet? Option A, John Masefield. Option B, Louis Magnus. Option C, Stephen Spender. Option D, Wilfred Owen. Answer option D, Wilfred Owen. Who among the following can aptly be called a war poet? Wilfred Owen. Next question. Who among the following was a transcendentalist? Option A, Edgar Allan Poe. Option B, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Option C, Emily Dickinson. Option D, William Faulkner. Answer option D, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Who among the following was a transcendentalist? Ralph Waldo Emerson. Next question. The exponent of spring rhythm is option A, Eliot. Option B, Ezra Pound. Option C, Hopkins. Option D, Yeats. Answer option C, Hopkins. The exponent of spring rhythm is Hopkins. Next question. Mrs. Malaprop, the hilarious character, figures in option A, the School for Scandal. Option B, the Rivals. Option C, the Critic. Option D, the Way of the World. Answer option B, the Rivals. Mrs. Malaprop, the hilarious character, figures in the Rivals. The next question. The treatise Battle of the Books was written by option A, David Hume. Option B, John Locke. Option C, Sir William Temple. Option D, Jonathan Swift. Answer option D, Jonathan Swift. The treatise Battle of the Books was written by Jonathan Swift. The treatise Battle of the Books was written by Jonathan Swift. Next question. Which of the following is an expressionist play by Eugene O'Neill? Option A, The Emperor Jones. Option B, The Crucible. Option C, The Zoo Story. Option D, Death of a Salesman. Answer option A, The Emperor Jones. Which of the following is an expressionistic play by Eugene O'Neill? Answer The Emperor Jones. Next question. Branch is an example of option A, clipping. Option B, portmanteau. Option C, compounding. Option D, syncopation. Answer option B, portmanteau. Branch is an example of portmanteau. Next question. My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue by option A, Browning. Option B, Tennyson. Option C, Fitzgerald. Option D, Rossetti. Answer option A, Browning. My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue by Browning. Next question. Which of the following words is wrongly spelled? Option A, millennium. Option B, liaison. Option C, maintenance. Option D, attendance. Answer option A, millennium. Next question. The feminist critic who identified the three phases in the history of feminist writing as feminine, feminist, and female. Option A, Virginia Woolf. Option B, Mary Wollstonecraft. Option C, Kate Millett. Option D, Ellen Showalter. The feminist critic who identified three phases in the history of feminist writing as feminine, feminist, and female. Answer Ellen Showalter. Next question. The minimal distinct unit of sound is called option A, phony. Option B, morpheme. Option C, allophone. Option D, allomorph. Answer option A, phoneme. The minimal distinct unit of sound is called option A, phoneme. The minimal distinct unit of sound is called answer phoneme. Next question. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing is a line taken from option A, Pope, option B, Dryden, option C, Shakespeare, option D, Wordsworth. Answer Pope. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing is a line taken from Pope. Next question. The transformation of a poem to drama is option A, adaptation, option B, compilation, option C, translation, option D, documentation. Answer option A, adaptation. The transformation of a poem to drama is adaptation. The transformation of a poem to drama is adaptation. Next question. A method of teaching that doesn't reflect humanistic approach. Option A, the silent way. Option B, the direct method. Option C, suggestopedia. Option D, total physical response. Answer option B, the direct method. The method of teaching that doesn't reflect humanistic approach. Answer the direct method. Next question. Raju, hello Suma, is your father at home? What language function is expressed here? Option A, asking for information. Option B, giving information. Option C, stating preference. Option D, requesting help. Answer option A, asking for information. Raju, hello Suma, is your father at home? What language function is expressed here? Asking for information. Next question. Which among the following is a teacher-centered instruction? Option A, language games. Option B, cooperative learning. Option C, demonstration. Option D, role play. Answer option C, demonstration. Which among the following is a teacher-centered instruction? Demonstration. Next question. A test developed to determine what students already know about the concept and skills to be covered by instruction. Option A, proficiency test. Option B, diagnostic test. Option C, criterion reference test. Option D, achievement test. Answer option B, diagnostic test. A test developed to determine what students already know about the concept and skills to be covered by instruction. Answer option B, diagnostic test. Next question. The type of evaluation used to test every aspect of the learner's development. Option A, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Option B, summative evaluation. Option C, formative evaluation. Option D, classroom evaluation. Answer option A, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. The type of evaluation used to test every aspect of the learner's development. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Next question. Suggestopedia is a teaching method developed by option A, Stephen Krashen, option B, Herbert Pucha, option C, George Lesnow, option D, Edward Sapir. Answer option C, George Lesnow. Suggestopedia is a teaching method developed by George Lesnow. Next question. Variety is the spice of life. The figure of speech is used is option A, metaphor, option B, simile, option C, hyperbole, option D, antithesis. Answer option A, metaphor. Variety is the spice of life. The figure of speech is used is metaphor. Next question. Read the following excerpt and find out what type of writing it is. The clown's short yellow hair made of yarn. covers its ears but is parted above the eyes. The blue eyes are outlined in black with thin, dark lashes flowing from the brows. Option A persuasive, option B reflective, option D descriptive, option D argumentative. Answer option C descriptive. Next question. Jessie reads widely and fluently. Whatever book she gets, she has the ability of option A skimming, option B scanning, option C intensive reading, option D extensive reading. Jessie reads widely and fluently. Whatever book she gets, she has the ability of answer option D extensive reading. Next question. If a mother tells her 15-month-old child to put the toy back in the toy chest, he may follow her instructions even though he can't repeat them. This is because he has acquired only answer receptive language. Next question. A student pretends to listen but actually spends time thinking something else when teacher explains a topic in the class is an example of option A sympathetic listening, option B inactive listening, option C appreciative listening, option D focused listening. A student pretends to listen but actually spends time thinking something else when teacher explains a topic in the class is an example of answer option B inactive listening. Next question. A word phrase, sentence or number that reads the saying backward and forward is called option A crossword, option B palindrome, option C acronym, option D anagram. Answer option B palindrome. A word phrase, sentence or number that reads the saying backward and forward is called answer option B palindrome. Next question. The structure of a foreign language can best be taught by comparing and contrasting it with that of mother tongue is an assumption of the option A grammar translation method, option B situational method, option C structural method, option D direct method. Answer option A grammar translation method. The structure of a foreign language can best be taught by comparing and contrasting it with that of mother tongue is an assumption of the answer option A grammar translation method. Next question. Using correct stress and intonation patterns is a sub-skill of option A paraphrasing, option B analyzing, option C speaking, option D listening. Answer option C speaking. Using correct stress and intonation patterns is a sub-skill of speaking. Next question. Organization of ideas is considered as an important descriptor for assessing the option A discourse writing, option B spelling, option C pronunciation, option D handwriting. Answer option A discourse writing. Organization of ideas is considered as an important descriptor for assessing the discourse writing. Next question. Which of the following is not a technique for social constructivism? Option A, lecturing. Option B, cognitive apprenticeship. Option C, scaffolding. Option D, cooperative learning. Answer option A, lecturing.